Child development, process of growing up. ଏଇଟା ମୋର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଚାପ୍ଟର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଅଛି କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଚୁଆଲ୍ ପ୍ଲସ୍ OSTTର ପେଡାଗୋଜି ସେକ୍ସନରେ। ତ ଏଇଟା ଆଜି ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ କରିବା। ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ 85 to 86 କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପ୍ରାୟ ଅଛି ଏଥିରେ। ତ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରିବ ଗୋଟିଏ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ୍ ସର୍ଟ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ କଭର୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ, ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଆପଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ୍ ହେଇପାରିବ। ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା ଏ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ଇଜ୍ ବର୍ନ ୱିଥ୍ ସମ୍ କ୍ୱାଲିଟିଜ୍ ଇଗୋ ଇନେଟ୍ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ୍ ଅଲ୍ ଦିସ୍। ତ ଇଗୋ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂରୁ ହେବନି, କ୍ୱାଲିଟିଜ୍ ତ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂରୁ କିଛି ନଥାଏ। ତ ଅଲ୍ ଦିସ୍ ବି ଅପସନ୍ କଟିଗଲା, ଏଠି ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେବ ଇନେଟ୍ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ୍ସ। ଦ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ବିକମ୍ ସୋସିଆଲାଇଜ୍ଡର କେମିତି ହେବ ସେ ଗ୍ରାଜୁଆଲି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ସ୍ଲୋଲି ହେବନି କି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ହେବନି। ତ ଏଠି ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେବ ବି ଗ୍ରାଜୁଆଲି। ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ଡିଟର୍ମିନେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ସ୍କୋପ୍ ଅଫ୍ ସୋସିଆଲାଇଜେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଏ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ। ସ୍କୋପ୍ କ'ଣ ଅଛି? ତ ଓଭିୟସ୍ଲି ଏନଭାରମେଣ୍ଟ ହିଁ ହେବ ସୋସିଆଲାଇଜେସନ୍ ପାଇଁ। ଅପସନ୍ ଏଟା କରେକ୍ଟ ହେବ। An individual adopts the way of living more and religion of his society through। ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲରେ କେମିତି ଆଡ଼ପ୍ଟ କରିବ? ମୋଟିଭେସନ୍, ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ, ଇମୋସନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସୋସିଆଲାଇଜେସନ୍। ଏଠି ହେବ ସୋସିଆଲାଇଜେସନ୍। ଯେତେବେଳେ ସୋସାଇଟି ଥିବ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେବ ସୋସିଆଲାଇଜେସନ୍ ଯେତେବେଳେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଥିବ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେବ ସୋସାଇଟି। ଦୁଇଟାଙ୍କ ରିଲେଟେଡ଼। ତ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିକି ଦ ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍ ଇଜ୍ the process of socialization is gradual, fast, continuous and non। 5 ଏଠି ହେବ continuous। gradual ସେଠି ମୋର ଥିଲା gradually ମାନେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ, ଏଇଠି ସେମିତି ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ ହେବ continuous। 5th ହେବ the process is socialization is continuous। the main process of socialization is 4 types। option A ହେବ answer 4 types। initiating action is the process of initiating action is the process of individual socialization। B ଟା ଟିକେ କଟି ଯାଇଛି group socialization, perceptual socialization, social socialization। ଏଠି 7 ଅଛି initial action। ଏଠି ମୋର ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେବ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟଟା individual socialization। ଏଠି individual ସମସ୍ତେ ଷ୍ଟେପ୍ ନେବେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ 8 the socialization of an individual also depends on the manner in which we perceive objective quality, situation, attitude, variable। ଏଠି ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେବ 8B ଟା। ତ সোসাইটিରେ সোশ্যালাইজেসন ଆମେ କ'ଣ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍କୁ ଫେସ୍ କରୁଛେ। ଅପସନ୍ ବି ଆନ୍ସର୍। 9 individual difference are found in environmental situation, cognitive situation, perceptual situation, emotional situation। এটি 9C perceptual situation। 9C perceptual। the socialization of an individual takes place according to perpetual cognitive dynamic learning in the perception of a situation। option D tab answer dynamic learning in the perception of a situation। 11 to learn to show a response in a way amount of formation of habit and this is a very important process, not important, doubtful, common of process। important process to show response, important option A have answer। 12 which factor influence socialization? family, school culture, mutual relation and all the above। all the above family important, family ରେ important ଅଛି, mutual relation ରେ important ଅଛି, social culture ରେ important ଅଛି। ତ all of the D have answer। what type of role parents play in socialization? positive, negative, vital or neutral। तो ଏଠି vital role, option C हो answer vital। during the earlier years the child learns many things from socialization, family, society and parents। 14 तो earlyhood ରେ ସେ socialization କ'ଣ, society କ'ଣ, family କ'ଣ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟରେ ଆସେନି, ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍କୁ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟରେ ଆସେ। ତ ଅପସନ୍ ଡି ହେବ ଆନ୍ସର୍। during the earlier period of his life one is fully depend on parent for all his or satisfaction, learning, pursuit, fulfillment of ness। 15 ଫୁଲଫିଲମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫନେସ୍ ଯାହା ଯାହା ଦରକାର ତ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ। ତ ସାଟିସ୍ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ସନ୍ କି ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ କି ପରସ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ପାଇଁ ସେମିତି କିଛି ନଥାଏ ନା। ଧର ମୋର କିଛି କାମ ପଡ଼ିଲା କି ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଦରକାର, ତ ମୋ ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟକୁ କହିବି, ତ ଏଠି ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେବ ବି। If a mother shows much love, then a child personality will develop by a mother show much love, then a child. One a two-way mutual dimension abnormal. तो 16 ଏଇଟା ୱାନ୍ ଏ ଯଦି ବେଶୀ ଭଲ ପାଇବା ଦେଖେଇ ଦେବେ ତ ପିଲା ଉତ୍ପାତ ହେଇଯିବେ। ତ ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ହେବ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ୱାନ୍ ଏ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଅଛି ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟର ଇନଫ୍ଲୁଏନ୍ସ ଦ ହେଲ୍ଦି ଗ୍ରୋଥ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଏ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ? One will of parents balance behavior according to environment, good food. 17 ଏଇଟା ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେବ ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ବାଲାନ୍ସ ବିହେଭିଅର୍। ଅପସନ୍ ବି ହେବ ଆନ୍ସର୍। ଟିକେ ଦେଖାଉନି ଆଡ଼ଜଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେବେ 18ଟା। Strengths and disparities appear in the child personality on account of school disadjustment, bad environment, parents' psychological behavior towards the child, parents' aggressive behavior. Strengths and disparities appear in the child's personality. तो child personality कहाँ पर depend करिवो negative टा? हाँ 18 ହେଇଯିବ ଏଠି ଆମର सीट आंसर parents psychological behavior. parents ଯଦି ଠିକ୍ ଠାକ୍ ବିହେଭ୍ ନ କରିବେ ତାହେଲେ ରଙ୍ଗ ଇମ୍ପାକ୍ଟ ଆସିବ ଚିଲଡ୍ରେନ୍ ଉପରେ। 19 ହାଉ ଫାର୍ ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବୁଲ୍ ଫର୍ ଦ ଡିଫେକ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ ଦ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ପର୍ସନାଲିଟି? କେମିତି କ'ଣ ଇମ୍ପାକ୍ଟ କରିବ? 19 ନଟ୍ ମଚ୍, ନଟ୍ ଲିଷ୍ଟ, ଲାର୍ଜଲି, କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟଲି। ଲାର୍ଜଲି ହେବ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଏଠି। ଯେହେତୁ ପିଲାଟା ମୋର ଟୋଟାଲ୍ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡହୁଡ଼୍ରେ ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ରହେ ତ ତାଙ୍କର ବିହେଭିଅର୍, ତାଙ୍କର ମେଣ୍ଟାଲିଟି ସବୁ ପିଲା ଛୁଆ ଉପରେ ରିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ଟ କରିବ। ତ ଲାର୍ଜଲି 19 ବି। A girl is not happy after marriage because of her socialization remain ଟିକେ thoughtful question ଟା। A girl is not happy after marriage because her socialization remains complete, incomplete, unchanged, stable. 20 आंसर है जो incomplete B। girl is not happy कौन पे ना incomplete रह जाता socialization process टा। 21 how far does the mutual relationship of a parent influence child personality? Same question type related question। 21 largely सेठी भी largely एठी भी largely how far does the mutual relation of parent largely what is the option C 21 option C 22 what is the result of emotional immaturity in the child struggle frustration pain anger भाई immaturity emotional immaturity ର example କ'ଣ ହେବ struggle ହେବ ନା pain ହେବ ନା anger frustration ଟିକେ କଥା ପୁରା ଆଙ୍ଗର ଅଲଗା ଫ୍ରଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ୍ ଅଲଗା ତ ଏଇଟା ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେବ 22 ସି ଫ୍ରଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ୍ ଇମ୍ୟାଚୁରିଟି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଗଲ୍ ପେନ୍ ଆଙ୍ଗର ଫ୍ରଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ୍ ହେବ ଆନ୍ସର୍ 23rd 23 ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ଇମ୍ପାକ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଅଦର ମେମ୍ବର୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ବିସାଇଡ୍ ଦ ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିକି ଅଲଗା ମେମ୍ବର କ'ଣ ଏକ୍ସଟର୍ନାଲ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟିମେଟ୍ ନନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦେମ୍ ଗୁଡ୍ 23 आंसर हो इंटीमेट भाई अलग लोक भी कॉन्टैक्टर भी आसो से तो इंटीमेट हो ना कि एक्सटर्नल ना कि गुड आंसर हो 23 बी इंटीमेट हाउ विल द सोशलाइजेशन ऑफ द चाइल्ड बी अफेक्टेड इफ ही मे फॉलो द इविल पाथ यदि नेगेटिव पाथ से फॉलो करिवो तो एठी हमर आंसर हो एडवर्सली ए डायरेक्टली बी इनडायरेक्टली इंटीमेटली डी एडवर्सली तो उल्टे ही हम 24 डी 25 how do brother and sister affect the socialization of the child 25th answer about continuously indirectly commonly greatly ଏଠି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଅପସନ୍ କାହାର ଅଛି ରିଲେଟିଭ୍ର କ'ଣ ଅଛି ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ର ରୋଲ୍ କ'ଣ ଅଛି ବ୍ରଦର ସିଷ୍ଟର ରୋଲ୍ ଅଛି ପ୍ରାୟ ମୋର ଗ୍ରେଟଲି ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଆସୁଛି ଗ୍ରେଟଲି ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଡଜ୍ ଦ ୟଙ୍ଗେଷ୍ଟ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ରିସିଭ୍ ଅଲ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଦ ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟ drives all requirement affection attention youngest 26 attention ही हम भाई जार जहाँ कहले जदि बड़ भाई अच्छी छोट भाई अच्छी कौन किसी attention क्या ना सान भाई की दि जाए तो ये youngest child attention ना कि affection attention दिया what do the social and economic conditions affect in the child considerably यदि फैमिली इश्यू थी फाइनेंशियल इश्यू थी तो ये कौन हम आंसरटा 27 पर्सनालिटी फैशन सोशलाइजेशन कॉन्सिक्वेंस। तो ये सोशल ऊपर आसी क्वेश्चन तो सोशलाइजेशन ही हम आंसर। 27C, what shall be the child position in the society on the basis of social and economical condition? Reprehensible, considerable, bad, presupposed. ठीक important question टा presupposed. What shall be the child positions in the society? child ର position କ'ଣ ଅଛି? ତ ଏଇଟା answer ହେବ D, presupposed। 28D। ଠିକ୍ ସେ ଟିକେ ଦେଖା ହଉନି। 29, what do the children or a higher status have for coming into contact with many person? ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଚିଲଡ୍ରେନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ହାୟର ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଧନୀ ପିଲାଟେ ଅଲଗା ଲୋକଙ୍କ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟରେ ଆସିଲେ ତା ପର୍ସନାଲ୍ ମାନେ କ'ଣ ଶୋ କରିବ? ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟ, କମ୍ୟୁନିଟି, ଇନବର୍ନ, ଅପରଚ୍ୟୁନିଟି। ସେ କ'ଣ କରିବ ନା 29ଟା ଧନୀ ଲୋକର ଛୁଆ ଅଲଗା ଲୋକର କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟରେ ଆସିଲେ ସେଠି କ'ଣ ହେବ? ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟ, ଇନବର୍ନ, କମ୍ୟୁନିଟି, ଅପରଚ୍ୟୁନିଟି। ଅପରଚ୍ୟୁନିଟି ଏଇଟା ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେଇଯିବ। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ଟା ଠିକ୍ ସେ ଦେଖା ହେଉନି। ଅପରଚ୍ୟୁନିଟି ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେଇଯିବ। 30, in how much time the children belonging to high economic status learn various pattern of behavior? ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ହାୟର ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ପିଲା ଧନୀ ଘର ଛୁଆ କେତେ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ସେ ଆଡ଼ଜଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ କରିଦେବ? ସର୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍, ଗ୍ରାଜୁଆଲି, ଲଙ୍ଗ୍ ଟାଇମ୍, ନୋ ଲର୍ନ। 30ର ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେଇଯିବ ସର୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ, କାରଣ ସେ ଅଲରେଡ଼ି ସେଇ ଏନଭାରମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଅଛି ତ ତାକୁ ଅଳ୍ପ ଟାଇମ୍ ଲାଗିବ ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷକୁ କ୍ୟାପଚର୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ। In what manner the child socialization proceed in a school? ସ୍କୁଲରେ socialization କେମିତି ହେବ? Considerably, a good manner, bad, good manner, B ହେବ answer 31B। When does an individual make serious effort to pattern his behavior according to social acceptance? When does an individual make serious effort to the pattern his behavior according to the social acceptance? କେତେ କେଉଁ ଇୟର୍ରେ? 30 to 20, 40, 14 to 21, 10 to 21, 15 to 23। 32, ତ ଏଠି ଆମର ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେଇଯିବ 14 to 21। सोशल आसेप्टान्सरे 14 to 20 ସେଠି ସେ ମ୍ୟାଚୁର୍ ହେଇଯାଇଥିବ ନା, ତ 14 to 21 ଠିକ୍ ସେ ମନେ ରଖିବେ। କନସିଡରିଂ ପନିସମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଜ୍ ଆନ୍ ଇନସଲ୍ଟ, ହାଉ ଡୁ ଆଡୋଲସେଣ୍ଟ ରିଆକ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଇଟ୍? ଇନସଲ୍ଟ ତ କେମିତି କ'ଣ ଆଡୋଲସେଣ୍ଟ ରିଆକ୍ଟ କରିବେ? 33, fear it very much, adore it very much, consider it command, none of this। ତ ଏଠି 33 ଆମର ହେଇଯିବ fear it very much। ଟିକେ ଡର ଲାଗେ ଅଲଗା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟରେ ମାଡ଼ ଖାଇବା ତ ବେଇଜ୍ଜତି ହେଇଯିବ ନା, ତ ଡର ଲାଗେ। fear it very much। 33A। In 34, in order to escape punishment the adolescent is courteous in his behavior in socialization in a revoke in demand। ଯଦି ପନିସମେଣ୍ଟରୁ ବଞ୍ଚିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ କ'ଣ କରେ? 34 କ'ଣ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରେ ବା କାହାକୁ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଦିଏ? ଇନ୍ ହିଜ୍ ବିହେଭିଅର୍। ପନିସମେଣ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ବିହେଭିଅର୍ ହିଁ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଆସେ। ତ 34A। 35, child's socialization is influenced by brain pattern, communication, biological nerves and ethic status। 35 important। 35 आंसर है वो D, ethic status। चाइल्ड सोशलाइजेशन कहाँ पर इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हो? ब्रेन पैटर्न की, कम्युनिकेशन की, बायोलॉजिकल, तो एथिक स्टेटस से मोर सोशलाइजेशन इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हो। 35D। स्कूल कम्स इन सोशलाइजेशन ऑफ ए चाइल्ड थ्रू ग्रुपिंग, at oral stage, after family, after society। important। 36 फैमिली पर ही स्कूल आसो तापर सोसाइटी, आफ्टर फैमिली। 36C। 37 अप्लाइड आसेप्ट ऑफ सोशल साइकोलॉजिकल इंक्लूड द डेवलपमेंट एंड परफेक्शन ऑफ टेक्निक फॉर मेजरिंग। applied aspects of social psychological include the development and perfection of technique for measuring attitude, opinion, socialization, both A and B। 37 तो ये बोथ एटीट्यूड एंड ओपिनियन पे सोशल साइकोलॉजिकल तो कहाँ पर डेवलपमेंट, तो कहाँ पर एटीट्यूड और ओपिनियन पे। द एजुकेशन साइकोलॉजिस्ट एडवाइज ए स्कूल बोर्ड ऑन स्कूल बोर्डटा कौन पे ओल्ड करिकुलम सर्कुलेशन ऑफ स्टिमुलस नाक न्यू करिकुलम 38 आंसर is D न्यू करिकुलम पे द एजुकेशनल साइकोलॉजिस्ट advise a school board on new curriculum in the 39 in the school the child face struggle group new society consistence 39 answer is B न्यू सोसाइटी भाई गोटे जिनस सी 5 वर्ष पूर्व गोटे जिन देखिए 5 वर्ष पर तो गोटे नुआ जिनस सी देखिए न्यू सोसाइटी 40 द चिल्ड्रेन लर्न द फैशन ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट from the children learn the fashion of adjustment from family planning objection school science study the 40 answer is C school research okay C 40 C 41 ideas on inherited development tendency this was proposed by Piaget Crown Binet Freud ideas on inherited development tendency किए कहते 41 आंसर है फिगेट इनहेरिटेड डेवलपमेंट टेंडेंसी फिगेट कहते 42 हु सेड children have innate inclination to limit their senior both in mental and psychological 42 आंसर कौन हम डी व्लाडविन टे मन रखिए वन लाइन किए कौन कहते देखिए आसीपे न आसीपे तो it is 42 D 43 early experience determine late personality characteristics of social development this was maintained by early experience determine late personality characteristics of social development this was maintained by Morgan Samuel Freud Atkinson so 43 answer is C Freud early experience 43C 44 the impact of child rearing practices on personality development was discovered by rearing practices on personality development 44 answer कौन होगा एठी D Watson बेटर ऑफ इम्पोर्टाट जे साइकोलोजिस्ट अच्छा तो तांकर वन लाइन तांको रिलेटेड देखीदेव से आसू नुआ नुआ जिनस मन रखा दरकार नहीं 44 D 45 ritual and ceremonies are associated with जो मोर पर्व सांस्कृतिक पर्वपर्वाणी जहाँ अच्छी अप्लाइंग थिंकिंग अप्लाइंग एन एटीट्यूड अप्लाइंग ए तिलक अप्लाइंग ए रिज 45C तिलक जोटा चंद्रन टीका कि सिंदूर टीका मारिबा रिचुअल और सेरेमनीज रे सेटा इंपोर्टेंट थाए अप्लाइंग तिलक 45C स्टेटस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज नोन एज status contract is known as 46 socio-economic status stimulus status rebuke status envy तो 46 आंसर है जो D status envy status contract तो आंसर है जो 46 D near fear of the child is the condition producing socialization rehabilitation conditions producing adjustment identification of which model तो 47 आंसर है जो D identification of which model near fear identification of which model psychological isolation is the result to conditions producing socialization condition producing recognition condition producing adjustment none of this 48 आंसर है वो A condition producing socialization तो फिजिकल आइसोलेशन कहाँ से रिलेटेड हम रिजल्ट कौन हम प्रोड्यूसिंग सोशलाइजेशन 49 चिल्ड्रेन सेंसिटिव टू बीइंग वेट आर इजी टू बीइंग वेट इजी टू ऑब्जर्व इजी टू perception easy to night training none of this 49 answer is C easy to night training easy to night training children sensitive to being wet 50 A child difficult to toilet training is insensitive to 50 answer combo pleasant odor, unpleasant odor, both, neither. 50B is one answer, unpleasant odor. A child difficult to toilet training is insensitive to unpleasant. Sensitive એટલે અલગા હોતે તો insensitive mention है जी तो unpleasant odor. Option B 50. Option B 51. A child rearing practices receive boast from. Boast କାହାଠୁ ଆଣିବ gestal theory, behavioral theory, learning theory, personalities theory. 51 important 51 option C learning theory. Child rearing practices receive boost from learning theory. 51 C. 52 social development socialization process are related and involved by social development का also related environmentalist psychist physicist environmentalist physicist sadist behaviorist कौन देखिए 52 environmentalist ही हवा आंसर अलग रहेगी वन social development environmentalist 52A 53 concept of cognitive structure feeling was given by cognitive structure Piaget Piaget 53D Piaget 54 concept of inherited development 54 ठीक से ध्यान देवे concept of inherited development tendency was advanced by Piaget in 1950 1950 recently later तो ये better होगा recently 54C recently 55 socialization is a process of बहुत important 55 transfer of culture transmission of culture socialization is a process of transmission of culture 56 what practices are fast on the newcomer in school newcomer रे कौन practice है वो dogmatic paragamatic sydentic religious or common 56 important है dogmatic religious 57 56 answer A dogmatic 57 socializing pattern in India prepare person for respecting the culture respecting youngster respecting elder respecting the work socialization pattern important 57 respecting the elder एल्डर को रेस्पेक्ट करने ପାଇଁ सोशलाइजेशन पैटर्न हेल्पफुल करे 57 सी 58 who are often made to wear pink as part of socialization पिंक कलर किए पिन्हबे 58 इजिटा गर्ल सोसाइटी में ହେଇଛି କି ପିଙ୍କ୍ କଲର୍ ପିନ୍ଧିବେ ସେମିତି କିଛି କୁହାଯାଏନି ସୋସିଆଲାଇଜେସନ୍ରେ ପିଙ୍କ୍ କଲର୍ ପିନ୍ଧିବା ପାଇଁ ଆଗରୁ ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍ ଅଛି ତ ଏଇଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯାଏଁ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ଚାଲିଛି Which changes are considered due to socialization 59 maturational changes attitudinal changes physical changes common ଏଠି maturation जो ଅଛି socialization ରେ maturation ଉପରେ impact ଆସେ 59A 60 role learning is the part of learning review socialization reduction changes 60 ର answer ହେବ C socialization role learning is the part of socialization learning मारिबेनी socialization a part 61 children and others are socialized so they may function appropriately in society station public place reduction change तो 61 आंसर of A society socialized society 61A 62 the socialization pattern in India is based on question थिला community non-permissiveness learning models तो 62 आंसर हम non permissiveness पैटर्न कहा ऊपर बेस्ड अच्छी नॉन परमिसिवनेस. What is the nature of socialization? बहुत important. Unconscious, occasional, interactional, none. तो 63 आंसर अब एटी मोर सी इंटरैक्शनल. तो सोशलाइजेशन कौन एटी होची मोर इंटरैक्शन करा सोसाइटी लोक सहित तो इंटरैक्शन 63 सी. Lately on concept of socialization has been made more physical or bored, emotional, attitudinal condition. तो 64 आंसर है जो मोर बी बोर्ड बेस्ड. कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन केमती डेवलप है बोर्ड बेस्ड. 64 बी. 66 whom does socialization mold. तो 65 आंसर है मोर सी इंडिविजुअल. सोशलाइजेशन क्या केमती कौन ना इंडिविजुअल डिपेंड कर. Different individuals in the same social group face different socialization because of different individual different society रे तो different कौन फेस कर. 66 आंसर है जो प्रेशर. कंडीशन नहीं, स्ट्रगल नहीं, डेस्टिनी नहीं, तो ये आंसर है जो प्रेशर फेल करवे. 66 बी. 67 the conditions affecting the choice of models are. 67 आंसर है जो सी आमर स्पेशल इंटरेस्ट. the conditions affecting the choice of models are special interest. 68 what is the main factor of socialization. बहुत important. 68 social anxiety है 68 डी है आंसर. स्टिमुलस नहीं, रोल टॉक नहीं, कम्युनिकेशन नहीं, सोशलाइजेशन इंपोर्टेंट हम सोशल एंग्जाइटी. 68 डी. 69 which is the method of socialization. rebuke, punishment, reward, both B and C. 69 answer is D, both B and C. Punishment, reward. 70 what is the result of process of socialization. Decision making, role playing, forming a habit, culture. 70 बहुत important, forming a habit. result कौन, forming a habit. 71 70 answer D. 71 what is the value of process socialization. तो 71 आंसर है जो बी परसेप्शन ऑफ स्टिमुलस. सिचुएशन ऊपर भी गोटे क्वेश्चन तो परसेप्शन ऑफ सिचुएशन. वैल्यू ऑफ प्रोसेस सोशलाइजेशन कौन 71 बी परसेप्शन ऑफ सिचुएशन. 72 behavioral changes which occur on the basis of psychological development rather than learning and which appear in virtually all member of species are the result of. लंबा क्वेश्चन द्वितीय पढ़देवे. 72 तो आर आंसर है डी फर्मेंटेशन. सोशलाइजेशन, rationalization, maturation, fermentation. तो 72 आंसर है जो behavioral changes, fermentation. 73 to trace course of mental growth in an individual or the race is a problem of. To trace course of mental growth in an individual or the race is a problem of. 73 analytical synthetic maturation. तो ये आमर हो analytical psychology आंसर हो 73 ए analytical psychology. 74 there is an evidence of a hereditary component in development of the mental illness known as. important there is an evidence of hereditary component in development of mental illness. mental illness रो कौन ताना नबो paranoia, psychoneurotic disorder, schizophrenic, paralysis. 74 आंसर हम paranoia. तो मेंटल इलनेस रो आंसर कौन हम paranoia. इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन टा मन रखिए. 75 before birth the fetus exists in the amniocentesis with the mother known as social parental so it biological. 75 C biological. At what is the child so takes his first step. 5 to 6. 76 answer 5 to 6 here. Maturation 77 maturation changes occur in a fairly predictable sequence and continuous until maturation कौन हम adolescence adulthood old stage 77 आंसर है हमर बी adulthood adolescence तो एते भी जाए adulthood जाए हमर एटा कंटिन्यू चलियो maturation adulthood 78 77 आंसर है बी adulthood 78 in the changes of body proportion the ratio of head to height is 1.4 head to height है 1.4 at birth तो मैच्योरिटी टाइम एटा केते चेंज हो 78 78 ର आंसर है हमर सी 1:2 हेड टू हाइट रेशियो जन्म टाइम रे 1:4 तो ये मैच्योरिटी टाइम रे 78 सी 1:2 Piaget's influence upon contemporary theory in child psychology is illustrated and emphasized in those instances where he is compared with 79b Lewin कहा सहित कंपेयर होता लिविन सहित लिविन का थ्योरी सहित द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ए पर्सनालिटी अंकल्स वाज गिवन बाय सरली एटा देथिले पर्सनालिटी अंकल्स 80 रो आंसर हो सी 81 रे टिके मिस्टेक अछि तो 82 who said non delinquent youth and used withdraw of love as a consequence of for misbehavior 82 आंसर जो डी Gluck and Gluck who said non delinquent Gluck and Gluck 83 what is hereditary in identical twins कौन अछि opposite 83 a opposite आसीबो 84 under normal condition hereditary is highly influential with regard to height somewhat influential with regard to intelligence and least influential but not without importance in the development किछटार इम्पोर्टेंट अच्छी बट किछटार इम्पोर्टेंट माने एते इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं बट इम्पोर्टेंट अच्छी तो कौन हम एटीट्यूड पर्सनालिटी थिंकिंग एंड इंटेलिजेंस 84 आंसर है हमर बी थिंकिंग थिंकिंग रो इम्पोर्टेंस अच्छी लास्ट नहीं 85 hereditary had a marked influence this concept was given by hereditary तो 85 रो आंसर है हमर सी न्यूमैन लास्ट क्वेश्चन 86 are the identical twins purely environmental yes no sometime possible both a and b तो yes identical twins purely environmental तो 86 सब आंसर है होप कि आपन को किसी बुझा पड़ो तो ये मुझे किसी पेन रे यूज करनी तो बेटर हम आप टोटल 86 क्वेश्चन यूनिट 1 थिला तो ट्राए करेंगे देखापी होप कि यहाँ आपंकर हेल्पफुल हम और किसी क्वेश्चन एग्जाम आसो थैंक यू।